Hello everybody, it's CJ and we're gonna wash our dad's car.
That was $50
And-
million.
And this is his truck.
That's the back of his truck.
And
Whoa.
if we get wet, I'll videotape it and stuff. And then after that, I'll show you our baby chicks.
And it's
So,
very
subscribe, everyone.
Alright, you guys gotta get out of the truck.
I am.
CJ, look.
You fall?
No, I jumped.
No, wait. You pee your pants.
No.
They're wet in the back. I see you hiding from Papa. He said so I don't wet him.
I won't get wet.
Dude, don't you dare get that thing wet. Hey, you get that thing wet and guess what?